A little nervous start for Patel on debut, and his first one disappears for 4. Big Nick, first one now. Huge as well because it's Babar Azam. Gonski. There we go. Oh, there's another one. First wicket, he's on debut, and Patel, look at that smile from the left armour.
Clever, very clever indeed, all the way as well. There's 6 of the innings. Oh, huge. Just swing through the line, yes please, that has gone all the way.
It was in the slot and gone. 6 is so good against spin. Oh, magnificent. Really is stupendous catch at point. Tim Salve with a blinder. That's gone up in the air and taken on the full. Another excellent catch. Glenn Phillips, he's a keeper.
Oh dear, sounded good, is good. It's what they've been looking for. There, straight up or not. Chance, chance. Oh, another good catch. Boy, they've been outstanding in the field. New Zealand, Corey Anderson this time, running away to his right. Push for 2 here. They should take it. Oh, keeper, there's a chance again for a run out. Oh, direct hit, he's gone. Direct hit, and he is gone. Gets that, gets it well enough to go all the way. Just backed up another slower ball, did Milne. Well read, very well read. Imad Wazim. Has he done enough? Picked up 10 runs off the last 2 deliveries. Just made that total a little bit better for Pakistan.
With and gone through the offside. Sweet as, beautifully timed. That's gone almost for 6. Imad Wasim is on again to Munro, who cracks it down the ground. That's magnificent. 6. That's goodbye and good night as well. That was massive. Muscle over long on this time. Oh, hello.
That is EK714 back to Karachi. Oh, there's the result. There he goes. The celebration, characteristic of Hassan Ali. First one down at 50.
2 runs at least. 50 for Munro. It has been one swashbuckling innings. 50 of 38 balls. In the slot and put away. That's beautiful batting. Is not allowing the bowlers now to settle into the act. And taken at long on. It's Asif Ali with safe hands. It's a massive breakthrough for Pakistan because Munro was hurting them.
Oh, hello. Let's go back upstairs. There's another one.
Yeah, pressure was being exerted and it's Imad Wasim. The bowling change has worked amongst wickets. His first of the night. Direct hit and gone. Bullseye from Pakistan. It's Shadab. He's a gun fielder and it worked.
He got a good chunk of this. He certainly did. Much needed for the New Zealanders. And gone. Down the throw, didn't get enough on it. Corey Anderson is caught in the deep by Shoaib Malik. Oh, there it is. And there's the celebration. Hassan Ali has done the trick. Oh, again, we're bowled. Have to hustle for 2 though. There's very good bowling in search of Yorkers. See if this disappears for 4 or 6. Going full. Well bowled. Afridi. Pakistan. Yeah, and they've got it. They've won 7 in a row. Have the green machine. So in summary, Pakistan winning the toss and electing to go up front first with the Blades. 148 for 6 in their turn of 20. And then New Zealand, 146 for 2. They come second by 2 runs.